You are going to want to make this gluten-free pizza because it's absolutely bloody banging. We start by making the dough, the usual suspects: water, flour, yeast, honey. Really nice and easy. All the ingredients are in the description, guys, so just jump on, and the method as well. And we let the dough mixer do all the work for us, so it's even easier. And then every so often give it a scrape down the sides so it's evenly combined. And then basically just get yourself a bowl ready and whack a bit of olive oil in it and put your dough in that. We're going to now let it rest for a good hour at room temperature. Whack a tea towel over the top. After the hour is up, we're going in and put it into 4 parts. Basically 4 bloody pizzas. Yum, yum, yum. And then basically put them into a bowl like this and then lightly put them into some cling film or glad wrap, whatever you guys call it. And then pop them in the fridge for a good 24 hours. But if you can do 48, it's even bloody better. And then let's make an Italian sauce. Nice and simple, this one. Garlic, tomatoes, olive oil, gluten-free chicken stock, a nice glass of red wine. Doesn't have to be expensive red wine neither. And then all we simply do is cook that down. Whack in our fresh basil. I prefer to use fresh basil. Season with salt and pepper, of course, guys. And then give it all a nice blitz up, just like this. Allow it to cool before we use it. The day after, we're here with our dough again. Lightly flour the surface. I've used a bit of rice flour, whatever you've got, as long as it's gluten-free. And then basically just mould it into a pizza shape. Doesn't have to be bloody fancy and perfectly circle. I like mine rustic. Now, make your pizza whatever you want. This one's for my daughter. She loves cheese and pineapple. Oh, I know I said the word pineapple. Oh, bugger.